Fortner began in 1929, with David Fortner Sr. offering furniture reupholstering out of a garage on the south side of Columbus. Born without the ability to hear, David was no stranger to adversity, and starting out in the throes of the Great Depression created challenges and opportunities just like we face today. David's oldest son, David Fortner Jr., worked alongside his father and dreamed of building the best and largest upholstery shop in Columbus. He applied entrepreneurship and hard work toward this goal, and with the help of his son-in-law, Glenn McAllister, this dream came true. Fortner has continued to be the trusted source for reupholstering, but we haven't rested there. Over the past 20 years, Fortner has built on this deep knowledge of craftsmanship to become a trusted custom furniture maker for residential and commercial markets across the Midwest and beyond. Most projects start with an idea. We work with designers, architects, contractors, and end users. We listen to your goals and design intent to create a shop drawing to ensure we're all on the same page. The project begins to take shape in the wood shop, where we marry CNC technology with 90 years of experience to create a beautiful, durable product as efficiently as possible. Our finish room can apply a variety of custom finishes to any frame we construct, or bring a historic piece back to life. In the upholstery shop, our experienced craftspeople work on a wide range of projects. In any given week, we'll see a custom-built piece of furniture destined for a lucky home, a reupholstering job for a home or office, and a custom manufactured commercial project for a restaurant, office, or retail space. We may even be making masks to help keep our customers safe. The project could be large or small, but you can be sure we'll give our best to every job, whether the finished product goes down the street or around the world. Our team takes pride in crafting pieces that tell a story, and we'd love to be a part of yours.